Hey, it's LSFD here today. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're doing a follow-up video to our previous video where we explain why we don't think that there will be a mid-cycle refresh for the 2026 Lexus NX. Some viewers in the comments below did say that they feel that this refresh will still be coming, but there are new signs that are pointing even more clearly that this will not be happening. Let's break down the latest developments that we found. So firstly, both Lexus France and Lexus Hungary have released their 2026 model year brochures for the NX. The vehicle remains visually the same and mechanically the same, and mechanically it shows the detuned performance numbers in Europe. Interestingly, Lexus Hungary brochure reflects the removal of the red color and put in the new red color, the infra color, while Lexus France brochure still shows it. That could simply be a mistake on the France side, but the bigger takeaway here is that neither market shows any refresh exterior or major design changes. It's very unlikely that Lexus would build an all-new refresh version for North America while continuing to produce the current version for Europe and for Japan as well. That kind of split production just doesn't make sense, especially when you have a globalized Lexus manufacturing. Some people will argue that the RAV4, the new 5th generation RAV4, has a new hybrid system and they're on the same platform building it in Cambridge, Ontario, and that does not make sense as well. But I think they'll figure it out how they're going to manage that. So with that being said, I do think that it does put a nail in the coffin for the 2026 refresh. So now here's something more interesting. I found a Japanese blogger recently sharing more insights into the 2026 NX. According to them, Lexus is making a small but meaningful change to the tonneau cover, improving it to help reduce sound levels and improve cabin quietness, particularly during steady state cruising. And that is a typical Lexus style refinement, not flashy, but thoughtful. When you look into the Lexus Japan brochure, and this is translated using Google Translate, and you can see here it specifically says the tonneau cover's sound absorbing performance has been improved, contributing to an improved quietness during steady state driving. So you can definitely see that in the previous brochure, based on the blogger's feedback, that this was not there. And in addition, and according to his blog, he actually shows the difference between the original tonneau cover and the new improved one. So he was able to purchase one and do a comparison. So these photos are from the blogger, and you can see that the two tonneau covers side by side, they're exactly the same measurements. So you can actually buy it for yourself in the 2022 NX, and hopefully you get the same improvements. You can see that the hinge is bigger, it's a thicker type of tonneau cover, and even see it actually, the see-through of it, it seems to be darker. So definitely thicker and better materials. And then when you put into the coverage, it will actually put it under the floor. You can put it in, no difference. But you can definitely see it's a thicker and newer tonneau cover. And hopefully the new tonneau cover will reduce the sound coming from under the trunk into the cabin and making it a more desirable drive. So what the blogger is saying is the new model weighs about 1.35 kilograms, and that's 200 grams heavier than the previous model. And he went to Lexus Japan to buy it and compare the two. So definitely this is a new tonneau cover, not something that a rumor or anything. So since he's purchased the part, he's saying that the part is about 20,790 yen. That's about $140 US and about $200 Canadian. You would say, yeah, a tonneau cover costing 200 Canadian or 140 US, that seems expensive. Follow me on Instagram at LSFT videos. You can see updates on my experience with the NX 450h Plus, which may not be shown on any future videos. You can reach out to me via direct messaging if you have any questions on your Lexus. If you like this video, you can provide me feedback in the comments below, like this video, share it with your friends. This definitely will help with the YouTube algorithms. Press the subscribe button and bell icon and get notified when new videos show up. And lastly, if you want to support me further, you can provide me a super thanks, or visit my Amazon storefront before you purchase anything from Amazon, or you can purchase products from the list on the items that I've been using with my vehicle or at home at no extra cost to you. And now let's continue with the video. So putting this all together, it appears Lexus is choosing to make incremental updates year over year rather than doing a full-blown mid-cycle refresh. We've seen this strategy in play. You can see that when the NX came out, later on they made changes to the color of the glove compartment and some other parts of the vehicle. They never needed to do that. And in 2024, I think mid-year, they started changing the wireless charger so that it works now instead of the useless charger that I have. For 2025, they added the illumination for the rear door handles, which was not available in 2022. And in 2026, we do know that the driver monitoring camera is going put in, and now the tonneau cover is added. So definitely we can see that Lexus has been doing slow updates. Previously, they do not do this. They designed it and it stays for that until the mid-cycle refresh. And this does raise a question. Is this the new direction for Lexus? Small updates each year instead of a big visual refresh every 3 to 4 years. Personally, I'm on the fence of this because while minor updates do keep things refreshed and it actually improves issues that they have, a mid-cycle refresh can really make the model newer and compete with the competitor a little bit better. But then when you look at resale value, if the vehicle continues to be the same longer, the 2022s will probably still worth more because it still looks the same as the new one. But I want to know what you think. Should Lexus continue to approach of yearly tweaks, or do you prefer a bold mid-cycle refresh and more notable designs and tech upgrades? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let's get the discussion going. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful. We found that this video was informative, and until next video, drive safely. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please comment, like, share this video, and if you want to see more videos like this, you can subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon to get notified when new videos are posted. And if you'd like to support this channel, you can provide me a super thanks. And until next time, cheers.